In today's video, we will be studying about the human heart. In a human heart, there are four chambers. The upper two chambers are known as atrium and the lower two chambers are known as ventricle. The blood comes in the left atrium, goes to the left ventricle, and from the left ventricle, the blood goes into the body organs. Then after the body organs utilize some of the oxygen and the blood, which is known as the deoxygenated blood, because some part of the oxygen is utilized by the body parts. Then this blood goes to the right atrium of the heart. This where the blood goes from heart and back to the heart in the right atrium. After right atrium, the blood goes into the right ventricle. When the blood goes into the right ventricle, after the right ventricle, the blood again goes back to the lungs. In this place, you will see that pulmonary vein and vena cava, these are two veins which are providing blood to the heart. In both the cases, the veins are providing blood to the heart, and in this case, aorta and pulmonary artery, you can see these are taking blood away from the heart. Veins provide blood to the heart and arteries provide blood away from the heart to the lungs and to the body organs. Now there are two valves which prevent the backflow of the blood. Now when the blood is traveling from left atrium to the left ventricle and right atrium to the right ventricle, there should not be any backflow of the blood. That means the blood should follow this pace, left atrium, left ventricle to the body parts, and then from the body organs, right atrium, right ventricle, and then to the lungs. There should not be any backflow. And what are the valves which prevent the backflow? Between the left atrium and the left ventricle, it is the bicuspid valve. The bicuspid valve is present between the left atrium and the left ventricle, and there is a tricuspid valve which is present between the right atrium and the right ventricle. So the bicuspid valve prevent the flow of backward flow of the blood from the left ventricle to the left atrium, and the tricuspid valve prevent the backflow of the blood from right ventricle to right atrium. Now there can be a backflow of the blood when it is going into the body organs and when the blood is going to the lungs. To prevent that backflow, there are semilunar valves which are present over here. The semilunar valves prevent the backflow of the blood from the aorta and from the artery. Now class, if you will see, the pulmonary vein is carrying the oxygenated blood. The aorta, which is the main artery, is carrying the deoxygenated blood. Sorry, it is also carrying the oxygenated blood. But in case of vena cava, it is carrying the deoxygenated blood, and vena cava is also the main vein. It is the main vein and it is carrying the deoxygenated blood. When you talk about the pulmonary artery, it is carrying the deoxygenated blood back to the lungs so that we can get the oxygen back into the blood. Now, in Bollywood movies, you must have heard that dil dhak dhak karta hai. But in reality, heart does labda. Now we will study about how this happens. So there are three processes. One is atrial systole. The second one is the ventricular systole, and the third is the joint diastole. So what happens in the atrial systole? When the atrial contracts and the blood goes to the ventricle, atrial systole happens, and this is for 0.1 seconds. Ventricle systole happens when the ventricle contracts and the blood goes out of the heart. Ventricle systole happens, and ventricle systole is approximately 0.3 seconds. And then joint diastole. In joint diastole, all the four chambers of the heart are at relaxed state. This happens for nearly 0.4 seconds. So every cardiac cycle happens for 0.8 seconds. अब जब आप वेंट्रिकुलर सिस्टोल करते हैं तो क्या होता है? लब की साउंड आती है। जब जॉइंट डायस्टोल होता है तो डब की साउंड आती है, लब डब। सो हर हार्ट बीट में लब डब लब डब लब डब। और हाउ मेनी हार्ट बीट्स आर देयर इन एवरी मिनट? Approximately 72 heartbeats per minute, or we can say 70 to 75 heartbeats on an average happens per minute. Also, one more important thing that you should know, that the blood travels from high pressure to low pressure. When there was high pressure of blood in atrium, then the blood went to the ventricle. When there was high pressure of blood in the ventricle, the blood went out from the heart. Similarly, when the blood gets into high pressure, it can go away from ventricle back to the atrium, right? To prevent that backflow, we had valves. For example, in case of right atrium and right ventricle, we have a valve. In case of left ventricle and left atrium, we have a valve present over there. So this is for now. If you like the video, do subscribe to the channel for more such easy explanations and more videos.